Chris Aquino, very memorable ang birthday celebration ngayon dahil talagang sinurpresa siya ng mga malalapit na tao sa kanya, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang mga makeup artist na talaga namang sa mismong birthday niya ay inayusan pa siya. Plus, hindi talaga siya nalilimutan ng mga very close friend niya kagaya ni Tito Boy Abunda na talagang sumadjust kay Chris Aquino para makipag-celebrate ng birthday nito. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Marami nga ipinagbabawal kay Miss Chris Aquino, lalong-lalo na ang mga flowers, kaya naman hindi siya mabigyan ng flowers ng kanyang mga bisita. Kaya naisip nila na balon na lang ang pamalit dito at very colorful ang mga ito, bagay na bagay sa personality ni Miss Chris. Hindi nga ina-expect ni Chris Aquino na siya ay mag-a-advance birthday celebration dahil talagang pinaghandaan nito ng kanyang mga anak na sina Bimbi at Josh kasama ang malalapit nilang kaibigan. Kahit nga nakahiga si Miss Chris Aquino ay agad nilang pinasok at nagpablow ng cake. Inayusan nga at minakapan din si Chris Aquino kagaya ng ginagawa sa kanya noong siya ay malakas pa. Sobrang na-miss nga ni Chris Aquino ang moment na ganito dahil matagal-tagal na rin siyang hindi na make-upan. Agad ngang isinare ni Miss Chris Aquino ang moment na ito sa kanyang social media account. Sobrang overwhelmed, sobrang napakasaya niya sa event na ito. New friends and friends who can count decades of togetherness. I promise you a home tour. We're not yet done. I ended up in bed because my migraine said, why wasn't I invited? Well, I'm gate crushing. Thank you for all my cakes, but it's the pistachio and the specially created for me almond sylvanas, which are my favorites. I'm the type I've already fallen in love with one. Ayoko na to experiment because why taste others when I found perfection? I hate not revealing the whole truth, but sometimes my health has some difficult developments that require me to very brave. This Sunday I begin a difficult journey because if I did nothing, it would be my brain or my heart that would be in trouble. Thank you, Dr. Kat C. Ging, MD, and Dr. Jombi Lichauco for not scaring me and allowing me to do my own research and for promising to watch over me for 6 hours. We didn't like each other when we first met October 2024, yet now he's my doctor bestie. Previously, I said let's go for 60. 68 seems like a better goal. Thank you for your prayers and good wishes. Sabi ko, magtanong kayo in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Boring na ba ako? There's nothing you want to ask? Brave, hashtag love, love, love. At marami na nga ang bumati sa birthday ni Miss Chris Aquino at nag-comment sa kanya. Sabi dito ni Ronin Leviste, why go for 68 when you can go for more than 100? Happy birthday again, Tita Chris Aquino. Praying always for your good health and speedy recovery. At mula naman kay Mahusay Mag. Hi Miss Chris, tanong lang po, meron din po akong mga inindang sakit pero hindi naman kasing lala ng inyong karamdaman. Paano po kayo nananatiling positibo ang pananaw sa kabila ng mga hirap at pagsubok na nararanasan nyo sa inyong kalusugan? How to have a positive outlook in life despite all these challenges in your health? Marami kasing nakakapansin kay Chris Aquino na talagang blooming siya ngayon at talagang nananatiling positibo despite na mayroon nga siyang karamdaman. At mula naman sa isang malapit kay Miss Chris Aquino na kanyang inaanak na si This is Jenny Miller, belated happy birthday Ninang. I'm continuously praying for your complete healing and I'm so happy to see how far you've come. Please stay brave and keep fighting. We are all here for you. I love you. At ang talagang number 1 na nagpapalakas kay Miss Chris Aquino ay ang kanyang dalawang anak na sina Bimbi at Josh. Talagang no matter what happened ay nariyan silang dalawa para sa kanilang Mami Chris. At talagang pag may special occasion kagaya ng birthday ni Mami, pinaghahandaan talaga nila ito. At involved dito itong si Josh na talaga namang number 1 na mahal ang kanyang Mami. At hindi rin pwedeng mawala ito ang si Tito Boy Abunda na dating co-host at best friend ni Miss Chris Aquino. Hanggang ngayon ay close na close pa rin sila at talagang hindi nakakalimot sa isa't isa. Talagang nagke-care si Mr. Boy Abunda kay Chris dahil talaga namang marami silang pinagsamahan together. Kaya naman palagi rin dumadalaw si Miss water boy abunda sa bahay ni Chris Aquino kahit noong nasa US pa itong si Chris. Nakakatuwa lang dahil hindi nagbabago ang kanilang friendship. At mula naman kay Jo Mirabueno na tagahanga ni Chris Aquino, never a bore. We are just happy to see you that you are well. That alone is truly a milestone for us, spectators and avid fan. Praise God. At mula naman kay Marin Orient, you are not boring. I just don't want to pressure you answering question. I'm content just seeing you and talk freely. Whatever you feel like saying, enjoy your day. At mula naman kay Ann Likap, kasama ka sa prayers ko, Chris Aquino. Tama yan, be brave. God bless you, God bless us all with continued healing. At mula naman kay Jeng Flores, thank you so much for letting me be part of your celebration. I'm truly grateful. Wishing you continued good health, many more joyful years, and heartfelt thanks for welcoming me as your new friend. At mula naman kay Makaraig Andrea, Chris Aquino, thank you for having us. We're so grateful to celebrate with you. Here's to more sleepovers, laughter, and late night kwentuhan. At mula naman kay R. Scala, happy birthday Miss Chris Aquino, my forever idol. I'm so happy seeing you malakas na at lalakas pa sa mga susunod na araw. You are not boring. Sige po, one question, bakit blooming ka ngayon? I love you so much. Mula naman kay Tender Love 88, happy birthday Miss Chris. We're truly grateful to be welcomed as a new friend. Thank you for opening your heart and including us on your special day. We look forward to building great memories together. We love you. Welcome na welcome talaga mga new friends kay Miss Chris Aquino. Talagang winelcome niya ito sa kanyang mansion. Nakakatuwa lang na despite na may mga kalungkutan at karamdaman si Miss Chris Aquino, may mga tao pa rin na nariyan para sa kanya at talagang hindi siya iniiwanan lalo-lalo na may mga bago pa siyang friends. Sobrang happy at blessed talaga lalong-lalo na mga anak ni Chris Aquino na nariyan, marami rin sumusuporta sa kanilang magkapatid. Mula kay Lay Space, hello Ate Chris, we expect the first episode of the podcast. Ayaw ka naming mapagod pero I excited and looking forward to that. May pangako kasi si Miss Chris Aquino na siya ay mag-house tour vlog at inaabangan nga ito ng kanyang mga tagahanga.